Hi, tell us your first name.
Deb?
Now, we're at a biological dentist conference,
Yes,
and you're one of the vendors,
I am.
and you got a Relax Sauna from us last year.
I did.
And you just, I don't know, you said you blew your knee out or something like
I
that.
did.
And-
My knee is bone on bone.
Yeah.
So I came in this morning, passed you, got excited,
Yes.
went to my booth and dropped stuff off and came back for a treatment.
Okay. Now, how does your knee feel now?
Probably 50, 60%, about probably 50% better.
And what was it?
Pain level was at 10,
Yes.
9.5, 10.
And
It was awful.
you said it was throbbing?
Throbbing and pulsing.
Yeah.
And I need a total knee replacement. So
Yeah.
waiting to have that done
Yeah.
has just been a disaster. But
Yeah.
just
How
in
long has
pain.
your knee been hurting you?
Well, for
Yeah.
a while, but I blew it out 2 weeks ago. So
Okay.
at a meeting, and I was walking, and
Yeah.
it just wouldn't move. So
Yeah.
I couldn't get my knee to move forward or backward.
Wow.
And the pain has been horrible since.
Okay. And what have
And
you?
I've been on the road, so I haven't had a chance to buy use the unit that I bought from you last year
Okay.
because I've been traveling so much,
Ah.
and
So
I didn't travel with it.
Now you know to travel with it.
Now I know to pack a bag and pay the fees.
So this morning, about 10 minutes ago, you were in for about 7 minutes,
Yes,
and I said, "You're sweating too much. Come back later."
correct. But I'll tell you, I was able to. You did help me.
Yeah.
Now, I don't have any cartilage in my knee.
Yeah.
So that's not changing. But
Yeah.
I couldn't even raise my leg
Yeah.
to get just over the small threshold in the sauna.
Yeah.
And I was able to do that.
So you
So-
feel good.
I do.
You're
Coming back.
So this is like gratefulness training,
Absolutely. Gratitude that you're here.
and you're going to come back. And so your
I
pain
am.
your pain was about a 9, you said,
Yeah.
9 or a 10, and
Yeah.
what's it now?
Probably like 5, 6.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah. My God, yeah.
No throbbing.
No throbbing.
So now you can function and get your work done
That
today,
is correct. A
And
lot
you-
better than I was going to.
and you'll come visit us a couple more
I'm
times.
coming back. So
Okay.
stay tuned for part 2.
Okay, great. Oh, fantastic. Well, Deborah, this is the Relax Sauna, and it says relax there,
Thank you.
relax.
Thanks for being here.
RelaxSaunas.com is how
Yep.
they can get more information. Relax Saunas with an S. Well, you're welcome. I'm glad we're here to assist you and remind you to use your sauna more regularly.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. I'm going to turn it off now.